Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change pin lock password to alphanumeric password on your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. Currently, my pin is 1995. And if you would like to set or if you would like to change this pin to alphanumeric password, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to lock screen, then go to screen lock type and type your current pin for authentication and click continue, and now click on password and type here combination of letters and numbers. Your password must contain at least 4 characters including at least 1 letter. Okay, so here I just type Princey 45. This is my password, that is alphanumeric password I would like to set. Click on continue, again type the same alphanumeric password to verify. Princey 45 and click on OK. Now your phone is asking you to turn on remote unlock. If you would like to use it, click on turn on, otherwise cancel and go to home screen. Now put lock in your phone and try to unlock your phone. It will ask your alphanumeric password that you set now. Give that password to unlock your phone. I give password now and click on done. Yes, it has opened. So in this way you can easily change pin lock password to alphanumeric password for phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.